welcome to Plush2x's Vegan Kitchen, PVK, and I'm Plush2x. Today I've got a new paste that I bought. It's a different flavor that I've never tried before, and it's like an Asian flavor. I'm not sure exactly how they make it. They probably use it in soups or whatever, but I decided to make it with 3 different dishes today. I put it on white rice, I put it on rice noodles, and I also put it on spaghetti. Yeah, it tastes really tastes that good. So yeah, I don't know how they usually do it, but this is how I like it. I just tried it and it tastes good with all 3 of those dishes. And also you can do the same thing with jackfruit, like I mentioned in episode 62. With jackfruit, I had the sesame ginger jackfruit, I had the barbecue jackfruit, and I had the curry jackfruit. Comes in a package and everything. You can buy that, or you can buy the ones in the can, which I haven't seen yet. I'm still going to try to get that so I can mix it in my own stuff, but I just wanted to try it for the first time, and I did, and it was good. And yeah, and I added it to spaghetti, rice noodles, and the white rice, and it tastes good. It's a versatile dish, and here it is. This is the jackfruit, by the way, what it looks like in the box that it comes in. And this is what I put it on, this spaghetti. Jackfruit is it's like a meaty texture. You can see it shreds like meat, but it's not meat, obviously. And white rice and rice noodles. Rice noodles, if you don't know how to make rice noodles, like I said in episode 62, you soak it in boiling hot water. You don't boil it. You soak it in hot water maybe about 8-10 minutes, you know, until it gets soft. Then you stir fry it, you know, with whatever sauce that you want. But I didn't stir fry it with the sauce. But I did stir fry it, you know, to get it softer than the boiled water. I mean, not boiled water. Then taking it just out of the water. But yeah. And this is the sauce that is like making my taste buds so happy right now. It is here's the ingredients. This is something different that I had. I love ginger, but this doesn't have ginger in it. It has lemongrass, which is also a nice flavor to it. So that's what makes it different, because I usually make tomato stew, tomato and onion and pepper, and I've also made a mix where I added ginger, cumin, and turmeric and different stuff when I made different meals. But this lemongrass definitely adds a different flavor to it, and I like it. And the same mixture here, but a different sauce. These 2 dishes taste so different. Oh my goodness. I mean, you'll think they're the same, but they taste so different. I could really have a restaurant. Look at this. This will be my sample platter right here with the rice, white rice, the rice noodles, and the spaghetti. You can get your sample platter in there, see which one you like. I don't know. No, that's not my profession, but I do like to cook. And this show is, you know, helping non-vegans convert to veganism and showing good food, and that you can survive without animals, because animals are not food. So that's that, and it's not even healthy for you. So yeah, yeah, so just watch the shows and get some ideas, you know, watch other people's shows too. There's plenty on YouTube, different social medias, you know, just type vegan or vegan recipes, and a lot of stuff can be substitute as well, you know. On the next episode, no, the last episode, episode 63, there's a cheesecake, vegan cheesecake that I showed, so you can check that out as well. There's plenty of stuff. You will survive, and you will be healthy, and your taste buds will be happy. Okay. I know there's not plenty of vegan restaurants out in the world, so yeah, you will have to either get some food from wholesales and cook it, or, you know, but at least you'll know what you're putting in your food, because a lot of stuff out there is not healthy anyway, and it's animal cruelty, you know, and it's killing the environment. It's not just your health if you don't care about your health. So anyway, that's that. And this show is to help people get information and save animals, save yourself, save the world. Alright, stay tuned for more recipes with Plush2x. Peace. Mwah. Isn't this dress fabulous? I don't even think I'm supposed to wear it this way. Really. I just did the shoulders like this because, you know, I'm a fashionista. I think it's originally supposed to be up like this. Let me see. Yeah, like this. Either way, it looks good. I just wanted to be different. right. Have a nice day.